In class 11 business studies, today we are going to start the revision again. And as you know, we completed the first 4 chapters of term 1. And I taught you in the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask or you can see the videos. And today we are going to explain you, I am going to explain you revision and the paper pattern and the blueprint of the question, which type of questions will come like MCQ, fill in the blank, true and false, and match the columns, and even short type answer questions also there. Short time answer question means just 1 or 2 words are sufficient. No need to explain, no need to write in detail. That is not possible in Google form. That's why today I am going to explain you which type of questions. So just now you can note down first. MCQ, fill-ups, match the column, true, false, and short answer questions. So be careful while you will write the answer, because in Google form that is not possible that you can explain in detail. Just 1 or 2 words will be there. So see the question paper. I am going to show you, but that question paper will not come in your exam. I am not going to leak the question paper. See, I am showing you the pattern, the variety of questions. Is it visible? Mayur, visible? Am I audible? Yes. The structure in which there is separation of ownership and management. Separation of ownership and management is possible only in the form of joint stock company or company. Sole proprietor, the ownership is same. Partners have ownership and all other business organizations have their ownership. There is no separation. But today I am going to explain you with that also. Company form. In company, that is oligarchic management, as you know. Means the organization is run by group of directors, managing directors. Okay, so directorial body will work, they will manage, and ownership is in the hands of investors. Which one of the following is a feature of sole proprietorship? Now I will ask questions from you. Separate legal entity, continued existence, limited liability, unlimited liability. Yes, my dear children. Which one of the following is a feature of sole proprietorship? Yes. In the sole proprietorship, the main feature is unlimited liability. What is the meaning of unlimited liability? In case if the business is not having sufficient amount to repay the debts, then personal property of sole proprietor will also be utilized. So the term is unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means the personal property will also be utilized to pay off the debts. Then next. The Karta in joint Hindu family business has limited liability, unlimited liability, no liability, joint liability. So the Karta in joint Hindu family, Karta has unlimited liability, while other co-partners have limited liability. So in joint Hindu family business, the Karta has unlimited liability. Next, in a cooperative society, the principle followed is cooperative society is based on one man, one vote. Means all members have power to give one vote. Next. What is the maximum number or partners, now it is 50. Next, the board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by. Yes, now discuss this question. Board of directors of a joint stock company. Shareholders. As I gave you the example of different companies while I was teaching you that chapter, that in annual general meeting, all the shareholders can vote, can give their opinion about board of directors, the group of members or the managing directors. These are elected not by the general public, not by the government bodies, not by the employees. These are elected by only shareholders. Next, Karta is related to which form of business organization? Karta is related to which form of business organization? Yes, my dear children. Only in one form. HUF. Hindu Undivided Family Business. We can change this question and fill in the blank form also. Okay. Like in which form of business organization the eldest member is the head? What is the term used for eldest member? That is Karta. Yes, any doubt till here? No. Profits don't have to be shared. This statement refers to which form of business organization? Profits don't have to be shared. This statement is related to which form of business organization? This statement refers to. Meg Bajaj, sit properly. Profits don't have to be shared. Yes, only sole proprietor has the power to enjoy the whole profit. Then he has to bear the loss alone. That's the point in sole proprietorship only. Because in partnership, the partners will share the profits as well as have the risk of losses. Joint Hindu family business, all the partners will enjoy the profits. In company, the profits distributed among shareholders as dividend, but in sole proprietor, no one is there to share the risk, to share the loss as well as profits. What is the maximum number of members? 10. The capital of company is divided into number of parts, each one of which is called profit, dividend, interest, share. The whole capital is divided into number of shares, as I told. Then the head of the joint Hindu family is known as, just now I told you, I can give you this question in MCQ, in fill in the blank or true and false. Head is known as Karta. Then what are the other members known? Other family members? Yes, Anuj will give us the answer. Anuj, what are the other members known in the family? That is co-partners. Which one of the following is not required by a private company? That is prospectus. A partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public is known as. See, I explain you 2 days the types of partners, types of partnerships, types of partner. A partner whose association with the firm is unknown to the general public. General public don't know about that he is the partner of that. Then it means he is secret partner. Got it? Secret partner. See, types of partners we can give you in match the column, in fill in the blank. Okay, types of partners means there are various types of partners. Active partner, secret partner, sleeping partner, partner by estoppel. Okay, now next. Secret partner means that is unknown. Unknown by the common public. Though he is secret. Now next. Oligarchic management is related to which form of business organization? What do you understand by oligarchic management? Oligarchic management means management by few people like directors or the managing directors. So answer is company. A sole proprietor has unlimited liability. Then next, a company cannot came into existence without. This to I explain you na minimum number of members to minimum numbers in public company is 7. Yes, you know about it. A company cannot come into existence without getting certificate of incorporation. A company cannot come into existence. First of all, certificate of incorporation is necessary. Then application for approval of name, that should be to the registrar of company. A proposed name is considered undesirable. I told you that your name should not be matched with the existing company. If you want to launch a new phone, remember the example. You cannot keep the name as Nokia. You can keep other name. Jokia, Sokia, but Nokia will not be applicable. I'm sure you must know about it. Now, see the question. Profits do not have to be shared. This statement refers to which form of organization? Just now we discussed in that question in 4 forms MCQ. Now this question in short answer question. Maybe this question will come in as true or false. Profits do not have to be shared. Sole proprietor. If I will give you these questions, in the sole proprietor, all will share the profit. True or false? What will be your answer? True or false? Huh? What will be your answer then? True or false? Rabjot Singh. Only Akshi Rajoria knows the answer. See, in sole proprietor, they will not share profits with anyone. Only the whole profit will be under sole proprietor. Which form of business is suitable for a tailoring shop? Yes. Which form of business is suitable for a tailoring shop? Sole proprietorship. Why? Because of personal attention and personal skill. Then next, question number 3. In case of heavy loss, creditors can claim the recovery of their dues from the personal assets of sole proprietor. Which feature of sole proprietor is highlighted here? Unlimited liability. Unlimited liability means the partner's personal property will also be utilized. Why is a written agreement of partnership preferred? Tanish, you are not copying down the question, you just taking a screenshot, you just clicking the pic. What's the need then showing this? Yeah, beta? Just note down the questions in your copy, beta. What are you doing this? If you want to click the pics, you can see the videos, my dear. Why is written agreement preferred? As I told you, in case of disputes, the written agreement will work. Name the type of partner who contributes capital, share profits and loss, but does not take active participation, sleeping partner. Name the form of enterprise where there is a separation of ownership and management. Just now we discussed. Again, he is taking it. Company form of organization. Because in company, the owners are the investors or the shareholders, while management is by a group of directors. Name the form where management tends to be oligarchic, joint stock company. Name the smallest unit in which the capital of a company is divided, shares. We already discussed these in MCQ. Name the type of company in which there is restriction on minimum and maximum number of shareholders. What is that number? That is 50. How can you identify that there is a private company or public company? In private company, it is always end with the private limited, whereas a public company always ends with the limited word. This is the basic difference. See, same questions I explain you in, see that this is the question. Name the form of business, there is separation of ownership and management. Same question in MCQ, same in one marker, same in short answer, maybe. So we can change the pattern. What is the minimum number and maximum number of company, of a private company? Okay. Now next. A company being a creation of law can be brought to an end only by law. State the underlying feature of a joint stock company. That is perpetual succession. Perpetual succession. Now, if a company, see this one, I told you, many will come, many will go. Many will come, many will go. But the company will move on forever. Many directors will come, many directors will go. Many members will join, many members will leave. Himang, that is the form of company and the feature is perpetual succession. If company's assets are not sufficient to pay its debt, then can the balance be recovered from private assets of its members? Yes or no? No. Why? Because everyone has limited liability. Yes, now. See. For which of the following types do you think sole proprietor should be suitable? Grocery store, medical store, yes. Craft center, internet cafe. Sole proprietor is suitable because they are carried on small scale. Okay, so according to that, now the question is, compare the status of minor in joint Hindu family business and in partnership. In joint Hindu family business, a minor can be the co-partner because the membership is due to birth. Minor can share the losses, but they have limited liability. But in partnership firm, a minor can be admitted only with the mutual consent of all, and minor will share the profits only. Now the question, Which form of business organization will you recommend? Where direct contact is essential? Sole proprietor. Where common interest, that is not in there. Professional management, company. Which form of business organization considered to be the most availability of capital in company? Easy of formation in sole proprietor, continuity in company, flexibility in sole proprietor, cost in sole proprietor, transfer of ownership, that is company. Now next, in one word answer or two words. Is sole proprietor bound to publish their accounts? Answer no. Any two merits, any two demerits, Partnership Act 1932, then state the law governing the partnership, Partnership Act. What is meant by mutual agency? Mutual agency means that every partner is an agent and principal both. Now the next question, what is meant by partner? By estoppel, who gives an impression. Name the type of partner who neither contribute capital nor losses. Nominal partner. Name the partner who does not have interest in the partnership business. Nominal partner. So these type of questions will come. Now types of partnership. Ravi, Ashok and Raghav formed a construction of shopping mall. That's the partnership. Which type of partnership that is? That is particular partnership. Particular partnership means what? If a partnership is formed for a specific aim, for a specific reason, for that aim only, and when the task is over, when the venture is over, when the project is over, partnership will be at the end. Partnership will dissolve automatically. That is, partnership is known as particular partnership. Okay? Clear? Any doubt? Then which form of business gives all the rights even to the minor members? Yes, now the question we will discuss. Which form of business organization, unmute yourself now. Which form of business organization gives right to the minor members also? Tanish, don't you hear my voice?
Joint Hindu family
Ma'am,
business.
HUF.
HUF or joint Hindu family business? Both the answers are correct. In which form of business organization the Karta is the head?
On joint into family business.
HUF.
Generally, you should write joint Hindu family business. Yes, Tanish, what's your problem?
Ma'am, what is meaning of oligarchic?
Just
Oligarchic.
2 or 3 times I gave you the question, beta. Okay. That is the feature of company organization. Joint stock company or company form of organization. The management is by few. Like the investors are spread all over the part of the country. Shareholders are many, but the company is owned, run, controlled, not the own, controlled and managed by few people. That is board of directors. Yes, any other doubt in chapter 1 and 2, because we already completed chapter 1 and 2. Revision over. If you have any doubt, you can ask.